Okay, so here's a quick lesson on how to add inserts effects using Adobe Audition. I imported the song Overkill that we used in previous lessons, and I'll play it for a sec so you remember it. You see the tracks over here. I dragged all the tracks here, then dragged them onto the multi-track. Clicking the multi-track, I can see them. If you see this view, it's waveform. There's multi-track. Then I wanted to solo the vocal track and listen to that. I'm just going to highlight a part of that so I can just listen to a piece of that track. There we go. Night after night. Okay, so I soloed that track. Now what I want to do is go see the mix window. In this software it's called Mixer. Here's my track. I added some effects, but I'm going to take them out for a second. So to add effects, you come in here, and you in the inserts, you can, in fact, I'll take them out so you can see what it looks like. Let me remove these effects. All right, so I come in here. First thing I'm going to do for this lesson is add an EQ. So you can see all the choices. We're going to use a parametric equalizer. There are defaults that you can start with, which is great. This is default. I'm going to use vocal enhancer. So you can bypass it. Ghosts appear and fade away. So what I generally do is look at the waveform and enhance the vocal range, which is somewhere between 400 and 500 hertz. And in this default, there's a raise in the upper frequencies and then cutting off any low frequencies that don't belong in the voice. So that looks pretty good. Next thing, this is extra for this lesson, is to add a multiband compressor.
Alone between the sheets.
What you want to see is some compression when the waveforms have it set at
only brings exasperation. It's time to walk the street.
So let's go ahead and try Pop Master.
Smell the desperation.
What's happening here is when the waveform gets above a certain level, and we're going to learn this in the class, the threshold right here will compress the hot signals. So it's like having kind of an invisible guy, standing on a fader, equaling out that track.
Pretty lights.
You can see the compression here.
There's little variation.
If I turn the threshold way down, it compresses the track too much. No compression. We're looking for -6 decibels on the peaks. And the third one is add some reverb, add some studio reverb here. And here down on the bottom is the wet dry reverb.
Alone between the sheets only brings exasperation.
So I ended up about 30% right there. And those are my effects for this track. You'll also see there's effects windows in Audition in different places. So when you highlight the track, you can see an effects rack on the left side. So I have track effects, and there's my effects for track number 1.